Good morning! This is Mika Raffone reporting from the WH20 News Team with an exclusive news bulletin. For years now, he's been saving local pool owners from defective, costly, and inefficient pool equipment. Now, for the first time ever, The Splash has agreed to an interview and he is ready to reveal the source of his super pool powers. And here he is now. Hello, Mr. Splash. Thank you for being with us.
Oh, please. Just call me The Splash.
Okay, The Splash. We have seen you perform some amazing home pool and spa rescue. I just spoke with one of your customers who says they have never experienced such easy, energy-efficient pool performance. How do you do it?
Well, that's as easy as belly flopping off a diving board. PENTAIR just announced their enhanced trade grade program.
I've heard about this. Trade grade ensures that trade partners like you get exclusive access to products, policies, and tools to serve your customers. So, you're a fan, huh?
Oh, it's pretty great. The trade grade policy does everything in protecting, empowering, and growing pool businesses. Speaking of which, look out the window! The PENTAIR shield!
What? Is that like the bat signal?
Nope, completely different. The PENTAIR shield alerts me to a pool owner who doesn't have PENTAIR protection. Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, we seem to have a real pool emergency in action. Someone doesn't have a PENTAIR protected pool. The Splash, can you tell us what's happening? Where are you now?
Classic. This family installed a competitor's heater bought right off the internet. The thing died in a puff of smoke, and now their pool is ice cold.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this does sound like a job for The Splash.
It certainly is. Fortunately, I have laser eye rays that will get this pool back to perfect temperature in no time.
That's very cool, but how are you going to keep the pool heated?
Well, I mean, this is a nice pool. I don't mind hanging out here all afternoon.
You mentioned that trade grade protects your business with exclusive access to quality products, right? It seems like this pool needs some protection.
Great idea, Sidekick. PENTAIR has removed over 1,800 SKUs from the internet, giving trade partners like me the ability to provide the best to our customers.
1,800 SKUs is a lot, but I'm not your sidekick.
That includes PENTAIR's UltraTemp ETI hybrid heater, the only pool heater that combines a heat pump and a high-efficiency gas-fired heater in the same unit. That's just what this cool pool needs. Now, pardon my dust for a moment while I install this bad boy.
You heard it here, folks. PENTAIR's enhanced trade grade program protects your business by giving you exclusive access to their quality, energy-efficient products.
PENTAIR also has a team of trained trade grade superheroes who monitor the internet 24/7 for violations. Like me, they're always on the job. That's the PENTAIR way.
So you said that trade grade also empowers your business. Can you tell us more about that?
No time. Look, the PENTAIR shield.
Another pool without PENTAIR?
Yes, indeedy. Let's go, Sidekick.
Sidekick? Is he still talking to me?
Well, this is a tricky situation. This pool owner was unexpectedly called away on business, but she still needs to control her pool. Fortunately, The Splash has the power to mind bond with my customers. I'll simply connect our two minds together so she can tell me when to start her pool pump.
Is that really necessary? Does she know you're reading her thoughts?
Seems like right now she's hungry for a tuna fish sandwich?
Interesting. But what about PENTAIR's IntelliCenter control system? I hear it provides the ultimate in pool control and convenience.
Brilliant idea, Sidekick! PENTAIR's intelligent products allow pool owners to control their pools remotely, from anywhere.
So how can you now access such intelligent products?
Trade grade, that's how. Trade grade gives me the exclusive tools and lead generation activities to safeguard a sustainable business model. This way, I have more freedom to create a vision for the future and to generate more sales.
So that's how trade grade empowers your business.
Exactly.
So do you really need superpowers to help your customers?
I wish I had time to explain it, but look!
Another pool without PENTAIR protection? This is getting ridiculous.
Let's go, sidekick.
Okay, he really needs to stop calling me that.
Well, this is a surprise.
What's going on?
Seems my superhero pals have thrown me a surprise party.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting an exclusive look into the pool superhero lifestyle.
You jokers sure know how to throw a trade grade style party. Every inch of it decked out with all the latest PENTAIR products.
So trade grade covers pool features and lights too?
Trade grade covers nearly every product category. All automation, filters, heaters, heat pumps, lights, and water features. Automatic pool cleaners, pumps, and sanitizers. More than any other competitor in the industry.
And that's how trade grade helps you grow your business. Now let's be real here. Trade grade gives you all the powers you need to be a superhero for your customers.
Well, yes.
Where do these other random superpowers come from?
Oh, that. Yeah, I was stung by a radioactive stingray when I was 5.
That explains it. Well, folks, you heard it here. Don't play with radioactive sea creatures, but do take advantage of trade grade. PENTAIR's enhanced trade grade program helps to protect, empower, and grow your business. It gives you the programs, policies, and tools required to safeguard a positive customer experience, from PENTAIR all the way down to the end user. Then you too can be a superhero for your customers. If you would like to learn more about trade grade and what it could mean for your business, I invite you to speak with a PENTAIR rep. Thank you so much and have a great day.